we guide you through how to delete saved posts in X, Twitter. So the first thing you need to do is to open the X app on your phone or go to the website on your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap your profile icon in the top corner and look for Bookmarks section. This is where all your saved posts are stored. Once you're inside, scroll through and find the post you want to remove. Then tap the share icon or the bookmark icon on that post. You'll see an option that says remove bookmarks. Tap it once and will instantly disappear from your saved list. If you're using desktop, the steps are the same. Just click bookmark from the list sidebar, select the post, and click the bookmark icon again to remove it. Repeat this process for any other saved post you want to delete.